Dear friends, great to reconnect with you on the upcoming workshop on emotional intelligence from the 3rd to the 5th of June in Mumbai. Today is a world which is full of competition, full of challenges, and so full of stress. In fact, the recent report of Gallup finds that the Indian employees, the vast majority of them, 86% of them, are struggling, are suffering. Only 15%, 14% rather, are thriving. The vast majority of employees actually, therefore, would be under stress, not giving their best, in fact, not being able to give their best. That's a recipe that is unwelcome. How do we change it? One of the solutions, even which Gallup resonates with, is that people need to be trained to be better managers. We know that the 70% of the work environment, the climate of the workplace is determined by the manager. And if that is so, the managers need to have emotional intelligence competencies like understanding their people, empathizing with them, building relationships, developing them, coaching them. All these kind of things actually help. This workshop would help you to learn many of these skills. It is also important for me to tell you, whether you're an individual contributor, whether you're a manager, a leader, this workshop would also help you to understand yourself. We have a certification on scale, which is skills for career and life effectiveness. This is a wonderful tool. Two of my mentors, or those who have really helped me understand the subject of emotional intelligence far better, are Professor Darwin Nelson and Professor Gary Lowe. Childhood friends, worked for decades to create instruments on emotional intelligence that really matter. Well supported today by Dr. Richard Hammett, Dr. Gary Lowe continues this work. We will administer the instrument of scale and help you assess and help you create action plans to improve on your abilities and skills, like how do you become better in terms of communication through effective assertion? How do you manage aggressiveness? How do you manage deference? How do you improve your stress management? How do you improve your physical wellness? Because they say, there's an old saying, mens sana corpore sano, which means a healthy mind in a healthy body. How do you create a healthy mind so that you also enjoy a healthy body? We learn about cognitive fitness, sharp, keeping our intellect sharp, how to improve through mindfulness our brain functions of memory, cognitive or thinking control, and effective decision making. We'll learn from this instrument more about ourselves, like what is the commitment, quality of a commitment ethic we have, the drive strength that we enjoy. How do we influence others? How do we actually create personal change which matters to us? How do you manage time? So this instrument called scale would give you a very good rubric of how well you are as per your own assessment, which helps you to accept the report and work on to improve the skills that you really wish to. Not only that, this certification of scale would empower you to buy these instruments through us. And thereafter, with the reports, coach people in the company or as professional coaches, coach people to help them become better on emotional intelligence competencies, so their ability to manage others and to manage themselves will be more robust. Join us as early as possible, and we look forward to your active participation in the workshop 3rd to 5th of June. I'll give you my email address so that you can write to me for a brochure. Believe me, this workshop would help you transform your life significantly. Thank you so much.